Hello world, my name is Ketsweng Mashona. I'm here to audition for TV presenting. You guys to vote for me because I got the confidence, I got all self-esteem, I got it to you, I got the looks, and you have to vote for me and see me doing it for you. New York is waiting for me, that's where I want to go. Thank you. Hello world, hello Botswana. You guys are listening to Gemstone, the show that recruit the talents from children across the streets. It's either from Kasi or from the suburbs. That's where you get to showcase all your talents there. So people, stay tuned. It's 6:30 on Saturday. You are at the right channel at the right time. So stay tuned. Thank you.